this is the ready setup of our device. Now if I want to check my device, all the sensors are working properly or not, the device is giving correct absorption, reflectance of for the different materials. To know about this, the ASD field spec 4 came with one sheet. That sheet name is Mylar sheet. That Mylar sheet, you can see, this is the Mylar sheet, and this Mylar sheet is used to know about the device status, it is working properly or not. So to how to take the data of Mylar sheets, it's very easy. At the time of taking the data from the Mylar sheet, you have to put this Mylar sheet like this on the white reference panel, you can see, and then you have to collect the data from that sheet. So in the screen you can see it's showing the absorption, reflectance for every wavelength. For every wavelength means the every sensor is working properly. So you can see in this. So we have to save this spectrum. It is the same process. First we have to create a folder in between that, like this. I am going to create one folder here. The folder name is Mylar sheet data. The folder name is Mylar sheet data. Now the folder is created. Now I am ready to save the spectrum on that folder. So it is the same process. Go to the control, then go to the spectrum save, and then you have to choose your just created folder. It is Mylar sheet data. Now it is folder is selected. Now you have to give the base name. The base name I am going to give here Mylar sheet data 1. Mylar sheet data 1. Now you have to click begin to save. Now your spectrum is saving. You have to use spacebar for saving multiple files of the Mylar sheets. Now the data save is completed. You can see in the folder data collection, data reference panel, then in the Mylar sheet. You can see the Mylar sheet files. Now all the spectrum files are stored in that folder. This file you can view by using a VisualSpec Pro software that I will show you in the next video.